All right, this is the Yalibo USB-C hub multi-port adapter. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. So this thing takes no batteries, no nothing. It's self-powered, takes no drivers. It's simply plug and play. You plug it into the device and it's ready to use. You don't have to download anything. You can see it has a Type-C end on right here, so you're going to plug it into your Type-C input computer, your Chromebook, your MacBook, whatever device that you have that takes a Type-C input on it. Now you can run a whole bunch of devices into your device. Right here we have a Type-C input, a USB, we have an SD card, we have a micro SD card. On this side we have another USB and another USB. We also have a charging port right here, so while it's plugged into your device, you can run your charger into here and charge your device while it's using everything else, which is super awesome and super convenient. It also has an HDMI out right here, so if you wanted to plug into a device and cast your screen via HDMI to another screen, you can do that very simply that way. So here you go, all these different options, one device, no batteries, no hardware, no drivers, no nothing, plug and play. The USB-C hub multi-port adapter.